When somebody shares a folder or document with you on Drive, you find it here. Sometimes you can find the public Drive folder or document on the web. In both cases, you can create a shortcut or direct link to your personal Drive. In this video, we're gonna learn exactly that. Hello there, this is the third video in this short list tutorial addressed to my students and to everyone who wants to organize the email, organize the calendar, set some reminders, and to everyone who wants to know a little bit about Google Drive. Okay, so first you need to go to the website where the public Drive folder or document is shared. In this case, the shared public folder is on Institución Educativa Santo Tomás website. Once you are there, you open that folder. You need to look for this, Carpeta Contenidos, and you click there. And then you click Ingresar aquí. This is the page that is going to be open, alright? So how do you add this folder to your personal folder on Drive? It's very easy. You just have to click on this arrow over here and then it says add shortcut to Drive. Shortcut means atajo, okay? It means that after you click here, you will have this folder on your Drive, and if there is any modification, if there are new documents there, if there are new activities for you to download and hand in, then you will have those directly on your Drive. So you click here, My Drive, and you choose the folder in which you want to put it, or you just click here, Add Shortcut. When you click Add Shortcut and you go to your Drive, you will have Material Virtual over here. Look, Material Virtual. Do you see? You will find it inside the place, inside the folder that you located. Okay, so that was it. Very easy. See you in the next one.